My group is confirmed by Dayana Niño, Mónica Pino, Jessica Díaz, Tatiana Manzanares, Viviana Acha. Recipe for preparing chicken and rice. Ingredients: onions, peppers, garlic, olive, salt, pea, carrot, bean, brioche, sauces, rice, weather, Maggi cube.
After having all the ingredients, we fill a pot with a water boiled, with a pinch of salt. After the chicken breasts is poured in the pot and let it cook over medium. And now, in a pressure cooker, boil water with a salt to the cut a meat. While the chicken and the meat cook, let's proceed to chop the sausages. After 1 hour and 50 minutes to remove the chicken and the meat to the pots to let cool. And we proceed to share the meat and the chicken. Finally, we have our 3 meats ready: chicken, sausages, and meat. Hello. In this part of the rice, we will and the vegetables we remember which are green, veg, okay, carrot, okay, peppers, okay, onion, and garlic, okay. First we'll take the pea and we put in a vessel we will start to chop the beans, okay? We continue with the carrot which we're going to chopping into squares. Then we chop the onion in very fine squares. And in the some might wish the paprika, and finally was chopped to the close of garlic. And wish they will have finished the process of chopping vegetables for our rice with chicken.
After cutting the meat and vegetables, we add these ingredients inside a cooking pot, and for 5 minutes we cook them. Meat and vegetables. After 5 minutes, we add water and rice, remembering that for 1 cup of rice is added 2 cups of water. Add it cook on. Water and rice.
We can dry the rice with chicken approximate 30 minutes. After 2 times in the will perfect. To send cut and the white accompanied with fresh fries, eat with eggs, the cornice and salts for dry or salt very much.